what we're making is elephant toothpaste. It is yeast mixed with 3 tablespoons of warm water, 1 tablespoon of yeast. It is a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide and liquid dish soap. And we're going to pour them together.
Maybe we have to swirl it around? Something tells me we did not do it right.
Something tells me we did not do that right. I mean, it didn't do anything, did it? What did we do so wrong? Well, apparently that enormous reaction we were going for was a big disappointment. It looks, it's foaming, but you know, the trouble was we didn't have enough yeast, so I tried to kind of guesstimate it down, and maybe that's very critical.
Since that's the active ingredient, maybe.
It's probably is. There's oxygen in hydrogen peroxide, right? And then there's, because it is filling up slowly, if you notice. It's like slowly foaming. So I don't know what we were devoid of. Too much yeast.
Well, maybe it's not instantaneous.
No, it's usually an explosion.
Well,
that's why they say pour it in and stand
growing
back.
fast.
Well, well, all right. I'll give it some time here.
It's like watching sourdough. Like the last drip goes in.
Yeah, it made that perfect balance at that point. It's trying. Look at this. It's actually coming up.
I mean, not all volcanoes take minutes. Some take.
Watch it also just shoot straight up in the air. Be like, apparently we got the slow version.
So maybe we didn't have it on the time lapse, but hey.
I'm thinking if we had maybe more yeast, that might have made the difference. Well, how much yeast do you think we had?
I didn't see it after you did it.
It was maybe realistically it was a teaspoon, not a tablespoon, or maybe 2 teaspoons, but obviously that makes a big difference because everything else was reasonably in proportion.
Without the without the active ingredient in hand sanitizer would be like kills 3% of germs.
Yeah. Well, it's interestingly, it actually is reacting. It's just it was very tired today.
Instead of being like all your daddy and it's like instant reactions, it's me and mommy.
There
and
you
it's
go.
Like slowly.
This is the Ruth version of elephant toothpaste. Slow, steady.
I would say the whole, just entirely Gagman version.
The Gagman version. Well, we'll try it again, but next time we'll do it, we'll make sure we have the proper amount of yeast. And maybe pour it into something with a smaller hole so it's
Is it still spewing out?
It's coming up. Yeah, it's still coming up. It is.
Ooh. We come out later and the whole forest
I know the whole thing
is covered in
with
white foam.
Well, on TV when they do it, you can tell they're pouring quite a bit of liquid together. So they're probably doing like a triple batch of it, and they dump it in and they run back, and you see it just whoosh, goes crazy. This is not going crazy.
We should have videoed this on a time lapse, which is like when you take 3 minutes and you make it like in the video, it's like 10 seconds. So it's like
still foaming, but I think the anticipated explosion was definitely a big letdown from our mixture that we had. But we will try it again.
Thomas Edison took like over 1,000 tries to get his light bulb to work.
Yeah, that's
so
right.
this is our light bulb.
That's right.
Hopefully it doesn't take 1,000 tries.
No.
Because
We'll have to buy up all the yeast in
we're
town.
not that patient.
Well, it is hot as the dickens out here.
It is, isn't it? It's slowly running into here and now running down the side of the canister. So it is at least quadrupled in size, but I wouldn't exactly say we got any kind of explosive results.
I mean, maybe it was up to here, so just in the bottle, that is triple. And then
And I
with
think it's
everything-
almost stopped, it looks like.
Yeah. Still, wasn't a complete letdown.
No. Look, there's really no liquid left inside. It all turned to foam.
All right.
All right, we're done.
Signing off.
Oh, there goes the
Oh.
before. Oh.
You know, maybe we didn't mix that cream stuff enough. So
maybe.
since it was still a lot of a paste,
Might-
maybe it
just
wasn't
keeps coming.
like, I'm thinking because it was a paste still, maybe we needed that to
To be more liquefied.
that way, because as a liquid
next-
it would be easily dissolved.
I'll tell you what,
and,
next time we'll mix
but as
2
a paste-
tablespoons of these.